You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly, or correctly I should say maybe. If you want to learn more French pronunciation, stay tuned. In English, this name is usually pronounced as Cléo, but in French, this is the spelling. You have an accent on the E, meaning that the E is pronounced E. It's an acute accent. Cléo is how it's pronounced. Therefore, in English, sometimes you'll hear this name pronounced as Cléo. In French, it's certainly Cléo. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.